In this video, I will be showing you how to book an appointment while using a coupon so that you can save money. So right here, you can see a few of the coupon codes that I offer. And remember, these coupon codes are case sensitive, so be sure to type them in all caps when applying them. In this example, I will be using the men's haircut with a shampoo included, $35, and I will add on a $10 black mask treatment, which brings the total to $45. I will use the Refer 5 coupon to show you the $5 difference once you apply the coupon. Click the Redeem Coupon tab. Once again, these codes are case sensitive, so be sure to type them in all caps. Once you apply, click Pay Now. And as you can now see, you will be billed $40 instead of $45. Type in your card information, secure your payment, and you can also add a tip. The tip calculator is at 10, 15, 20%, or you can add your own custom tip. Once you click Pay and Confirm, you'll receive a confirmation email, and that's it.